All right, everybody, today we're outside here. We're gonna clean the wheels of our GTI. We've let this go for about a month or so just to get some real good dirty wheels to clean up and show you guys how to do it right. Here we go. All right, so as you see, we wet it down. We're gonna use our non-acid wheel and tire cleaner next and our long wheel and engine brush. What we're gonna do here is spray everything down and then use the long brush to get inside. You can actually clean the inside of the rim. I know some guys will take wheels off, some guys will leave the wheels on. We're just showing you the quick way how to get it done here. Don't be afraid to spray a lot of this stuff on. It'll do a lot of the work for you, even before you start brushing. A little bit for the brush always helps as well. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but because of this long brush, we're getting all the way across the inside of this wheel. I'm getting all this grease and grime and dust and dirt and everything else off of here. So these should shine up pretty well afterwards. As you can see, I'm angling back and forth to clean the entire inside of that rim. Make sure I don't have any missed spots. I like to use one of these flat brushes on all the flat surfaces in the tire. Without too much work, our rim's mostly clean. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna use one of our exterior detailing brushes. We're gonna get into all these small spots, especially around the lug nuts, these small areas right here. All right, and we'll rinse it off and we'll see how good we did. All right, as you can see, we're all nice and clean now. We're gonna use our trim and tire cleaner. I like the non-silicone version when I do my tires. It's all personal preference. You can use the silicone version or the non-silicone. This one leaves a less gloss on the tires themselves. That's why I kind of prefer it. So we've also got an application pad here that helps you to evenly distribute around the tire. That way you also don't have to worry about overspray going on the clean wheel or anywhere else. Work from the edge around, kind of stick your application pad in between the tire and rim. That's all done, we'll leave that set. All right, that's a wrap. For all your car care needs, visit Eastwood.com.